Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Ford smax here on a 2007 plate. Just replacing the rear brake light. Customer came in with a sheet from Ford saying that brake lights aren't working, or three of them. Even you can see that one there. So what I thought it would be a brake switch, which usually the brake switch would be underneath this pedal here. So if you remove this, you'll be able to see it. So they're around about sort of kind of in that area. So what I've done is I've had a look at the switch. Switches are fine. So I then took the holder, as you can see there, took the cover off and thought I'll check the bulb, and the bulb was definitely not working. Now for me to do this, it was quite a simple job. So what you got is you've got these two little screws right here, so they'll go on the back there, and then I'll just show you on this side so it'll be easier. I've already removed the cover. So this one here goes on the top, that one there goes on the bottom. Now on the inside, you may not be able to see it, but I'll just show you. Just behind the belt, that's one of the screws you need to remove, and one is just behind here. So if I sort of, okay, so I've got my hand in there, and that's the screw I'm undoing. See right inside. All you need is a 380 bulb, which is a double filament one, and a Phillips screwdriver. I'll show you why you need a Phillips screwdriver in a minute as well. So what I'm going to do, I'm only going to show you how to take it off, and then that's about it, because I am busy doing other stuff. So this is the second one. Just remember, don't drop it or anything. So you just got to wedge it out. That's it, lovely. That's all it was, those two screws right there. All you then do is wedge this. So I'm just on my own. There we go. That's out. Got the whole thing out. And then you can unplug it right there. That's it. That's unplugged. And then you got the screw on the inside. Now once you've replaced the bulb, undo it with this. You need a 380 bulb, which can be found in the description. And once you've unscrewed that, replace the bulb, put that back in. Just remember the seal. I'm just going to take my foot off the brake once. Not my foot, but take this off the brake. All you got to remember is, I don't think this has a seal around here. Nope, it doesn't. So there's no seals around there. So you just screw in and then plug it in, put it back together, and that's job done. That's all it is on this particular model. This is a Ford smax as well. So I would love to finish it off, but I'm sure once you've taken it out, you can put it back in. It's nice and easy. It's just a straight, simple job. Screw everything back together, and that's it. Job done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.